The title of my speech is I am more than what you see. Look at me. What do you see? A face, a name, a story you think you already know. You see, the way I walk, the way I talk, the way I smile, and you think you understand me. But you don't. I am more than what you see. I am the battles I fought in silence. I am the dreams to build from the ruins of doubts. I am the nights I spent crying, wishing, hoping, and believing that somehow tomorrow would be better. I am the voice that was once silenced. I am the heart that was once broken. I am the spirit that refuses to give up. I have been judged, labeled, underestimated. I have heard the whisper behind my back. The laughter that wasn't meant to lift me but to break me. But I stand here, not because life was easy, but because I choose to be strong. I stand here with my scars, and they are not signs of weaknesses. No, they are medals of survival. Proof that even in the darkness of storms, I did not sink, I swam, I rose. So go ahead, look at me again. Look beyond the surface, look into my eyes, and you will see the fire that no storm could ever extinguish. I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. I am more than what you see. I am hope. I am encouraged. I am unstoppable. And that's all. Thank you.